So as you can see, he's actually keeping the seat nice and warm. It has a heater built in, right? Right, this is the toilet that we're going to replace the actual seat. So right now I'm going to turn off the first thing you got to turn off is your water and flush it, and then make sure it doesn't drain. So put something underneath of it. So let's get started. First thing is you got to disconnect this. There we go. So we got this part out. All right, we're gonna see if it matches this part right here. If it does match, it's a perfect match. There you go. So they give you two of these. All right, smaller version, larger. So we're gonna add plumbing tape here on this one. There we go. It's nice and tight. Now we are gonna add here plumbing tape too. Okay, we got it nice and squared away. Now this part right here, we're gonna add this part right here. You guys can see that. All right, the flow, make sure that the flow is going out. All right, we set up the toilet already. So here's the actual valve. I haven't turned it on yet. We're gonna test it out in a bit, but first we're gonna put the cover back on and get this going. All right, here's the final product. We just got it. We're gonna hook up the line right now. All right, first time turning on, did some cycle, light came on. We're gonna go put some saran wrap right now to test it out. And we're also gonna use the control so you guys can see the water flow coming out, all right? There's the water dispenser. You can see it. It's working very well. Dispensing the water. It's going back on. In order to make this work, you need to be sitting on it, all right? So right now it's warm, the seat's warm. We're gonna go ahead and dispense or air. That's the air conditioner coming on, all right? Stop it. That one's the one that we want. And then you want to go ahead and turn it on by hitting forward button. You can use the remote and it's going to come out if you guys can see it. So takes a couple minutes clean. You can stop it too. So as you can see, he's actually keeping the seat nice and warm. It has a heater built in, right? Now, in order to make any functions work, you need to be sitting on it, all right? And look at this. If I close it up, it's completely sealed. If I open it, it's perfectly. So you can even see the heating up, just like a Japanese toilet. So overall, the system is really, really good. Now, this is a sensor because you need to be sitting on it. But the process took me about 20 minutes to put together, all right? And the LED light indicates the actual heat and everything else. I like that to give this control. I'm gonna put it right here on the edge of the wall so I could take it out and actually use it. So this seat is really comfortable, especially on cold days. The water source, you could actually, when it's draining too far, if it's too far from you, you can actually adjust that. You could adjust it through the controller, or you could adjust it through the actual knob here. So the plumbing, it took me no issues whatsoever. On the existing plumbing that I have a 3/8 by 7/8, all right? So it had no issues whatsoever, no leaks. I put that tray just in case there was leaks, but no leaks whatsoever. And the whole thing, look at that LED light. UV killing any kind of bugs out there, any things. Look at that. Come at night. Let me turn off the light so you guys can see it. You do need power opening at night. Look at that. fancy toilet here in my house. I'm gonna love this thing, so I hope you guys do too. Hope you guys enjoy this video. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.